Now we will sketch first part of universal joint driving yoke. So let's start. Choose front plane, sketch. Select center rectangle and draw one rectangle and assign the length 60 by 90 mm. Select extruded boss 15 mm. Okay. Now select this top face, sketch, normal, draw two circles, outer one 60 mm and inner one 30 mm. Choose corner rectangle and draw one corner rectangle. Three mm and 4 mm. Okay. Now select here extend entities and extend this up to this circle. Now choose trim entities and trim this inside. Okay. Choose mirror entity, mirror these two lines about this line. Select OK. Select mirror entities, delete this midline. OK. Now we will extrude this portion up to 30 mm. Okay. Now select this top face, sketch, normal. Now here we will draw some circles. Assign diameter and outer 46 and inner 16 mm. And the distance, mid distance from this line, keep 35 mm. Okay, choose line and draw a line from one end to this end and up to this. Again choose a line and connect from one to here, exit. Now make relation between circle and line, tangent, this same as here, tangent. Select this point and this point, vertical. Choose trim entities and delete inside lines. Okay. Select extruded boss 15 mm but reverse direction. Okay. Now choose top plane, mirror and the last extruded boss. Okay. Now this is our driven yoke is ready. We will assign some color so it will identify. Okay. Now save as in desktop. Create new folder, select universal joint and this one driving yoke. First part, save. Now we will go for next part. Now we will sketch next part, cross bearing. So choose top plane, sketch. Select circle and draw two circles, one is small and one big. Keep the diameter 30 mm and 16 mm. Okay. Select extruded boss 60 mm but choose mid plane. Okay. Now select right plane, sketch. Draw 2 circles. Assign diameter 30 mm and 16 mm, and distance from here to origin point 23 mm. Okay, and make sure this point and origin point in same line, so make relation. Now select extruded boss, so the same, choose mid plane 60 mm. Okay, choose fillet 5 mm and select this inside line. Okay, now see, this is the cross bearing for universal joint. You can assign some color so it will identify. Okay, now save as part number 2. Bearing cross. Now next part we will go. Now the third part we will make bolt. So choose right plane, sketch. First we will create bolt head. Keep the diameter 24 mm. Okay, and extrude it up to 8 mm. Keep chamfer 1 mm. Okay, now select this end, sketch. Sketch a circle and make diameter 16 mm. And extrude up to 105 mm. Choose chamfer 1 mm 45 degree, select this face. Okay, now choose top plane, sketch. Now here we will create one hole. Four mm and distance from here 94 mm. Choose mid plane. Okay, and make the color any is up to you. Okay, now save this part. Bolt. Now we will make part number 4, bush. Choose top plane, sketch. Draw 2 circles and assign the diameter 24 and 16 mm. Select extruded boss. Keep 8 mm. Okay. Choose fillet 1 mm and select end portion. Okay. Now select right plane, sketch, and we will make some hole here just above the origin point. Four mm, 4 mm. Select extruded cut, and we want to cut through all, so choose here through all both. Okay, assign the color. Okay, now save as bush. Now we will sketch pin. Choose top plane, sketch. Draw a 4 mm diameter. Select extruded boss. Keep 30 mm. Better to keep mid plane. Okay. Choose chamfer 0.5 and select both the ends and assign color. Let's say red. Now save as a pin. Now open the neck one more part. Driving yoke. Now say change this color, green, and save this part as the next part. Save as driven yoke. Now let's start the assembly. Now we will start the assembly of universal joint. So click new part, choose assembly, OK. Now we will browse one by one all the parts. First choose driving yoke. Press shift, bearing, bolt, all 6 parts. Okay. Now the first part is fixed, other all are rotating. So let's start. Choose met. Select this inside line and this top line. Okay. Select this inside and this. Choose OK. Just rotate it here. OK. Now select this bolt. OK. Select this face and this face. OK. Now just press Ctrl key and drag this one more part. Now choose mat. Select this portion and this portion. Make reverse. OK. Now select this back of head and this. Okay. Now choose this inside and this. Okay. Select this side and this side. Make reverse. Okay. Now just find the holes. Both the holes should be matched. Select this inside hole and this hole. Concentric. Okay. Now choose this pin and this inside. Okay. Now select this top and select pin. Make reverse. Select OK. Now again press Ctrl key and copy one part, Ctrl key, copy another part. Now we will fix this another end. Met. Make reverse. Okay. Select this face and body face. Okay. Now just try to find the hole. Select this inside hole and this hole. Okay. Now bring the pin here. Select this hole. Okay. Select top and this face. Okay. So now our universal joint is ready. See, this is fixed. You can even float. Better fix this body so the one part will rotate. This is the driven yoke. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to share and like our video, and thanks for watching.